IRCC and the border officers now have the full authority to cancel your visa or permits at any time under certain circumstances. This video will tell you what's going on, what you should know, and how you should be prepared. Hi everyone, my name is Shivani and I'm a licensed immigration consultant from Waterloo, Ontario, and I'm also the founder of Zeste Immigration Services Inc. This channel is all about Canada immigration, related updates, new programs, their eligibility criteria, and so on. So if you're interested in these topics, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified every single time I post a new video. The Government of Canada has introduced new regulations that strengthen the authority of IRCC and border security officers to cancel temporary resident documents under specific circumstances. These changes, which came into effect on January 31st, 2025, aim to enhance security, prevent misuse of temporary resident visas and electronic travel authorization, and uphold the integrity of Canada's immigration system. If you are a temporary resident in Canada or planning to apply for a visitor visa, study permit, or work permit, this update is crucial for you. Here is a detailed breakdown of what these new rules mean. Now let's see what has changed. Previously, immigration and border officers had limited authority when it came to canceling temporary resident documents. With these new changes, officers now have clear and explicit powers to cancel electronic travel authorizations, temporary resident visas, work permits, and study permits. The decision to cancel a document will be made on case-by-case basis, considering individual circumstances. Now let's see reasons for cancellation of temporary resident documents. Under the new rules, an ETA or TRV can be cancelled if the person is no longer eligible or becomes inadmissible to Canada due to providing false or misleading information in their application, having a criminal record that was previously undisclosed, being deceased means the document holder has passed away. The immigration officer is not satisfied that the person will leave Canada at the end of their authorized stay, or the document is lost, stolen, destroyed, or abandoned. Additionally, TRVs, ETAs, study permits, and work permits will be automatically cancelled if the individual becomes a permanent resident of Canada, the individual has passed away, the document has issued due to an administrative error, means visa was granted by mistake. Now let's see, what do these changes mean for temporary residents. These new regulations are a major shift in how Canada monitors temporary residents. Here's what this means for you. Stricter border enforcement. Immigration and border officers can now act immediately if they find inconsistencies in someone's application or status. Increased scrutiny of visa holders. If you are already in Canada on a TRV, work permit, or study permit, ensure your information is accurate and up to date to avoid cancellation. Higher risk of visa rejection or cancellation. If an officer believes you may not leave Canada when required, they now have greater authority to cancel your visa. Administrative efficiency. These changes will speed up the process of canceling visas that are no longer valid due to errors or status changes. Now let's see, when did these changes take effect? The amended regulations officially came into force on January 31st, 2025 and are published in Canada Gazette 2. These updates reflect Canada's commitment to strengthening border security and ensuring that only eligible individuals can enter and remain in the country. IRCC has also stated that they will continue to enhance immigration processes and invest in advanced tools to improve border security and fraud detection. What should you do next? Well, if you are a temporary resident in Canada or are planning to apply for a TRV, work permit, or study permit, here's how you can prepare. Double check your application. So ensure all the information you provide to IRCC is accurate and truthful. Maintain legal status. If you plan to extend your stay in Canada, apply for an extension before your permit expires. Comply with the visa conditions. Follow the terms of your visa to avoid any potential cancellations. Stay informed. Immigration rules change frequently, so staying updated is crucial. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it already, and also hit the bell icon so that you always stay notified with these latest updates. So this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact us at www.zestcanada.ca or simply go to the description box of this video where you'll find the links to book a consultation with me. We offer a variety of in-person or virtual consultations, so feel free to explore all of our services and fees. And yes, I wish you guys all the very best for your future. And again, stay tuned. See you guys next time in the next video.